might be good for me. I sold my soul to the devil for designer, they say. Put the Jaeger black ice in my ass. Go to hell, but I told them I don't wanna. If you know me well, then.
Oh, but Jynxzi, oh my god. Jynxzi, my girlfriend just broke up with me. Oh, Jynxzi, I just lost my job. Jynxzi, I'm failing all my classes in school. I don't care! What grade are you? What's your KD? Okay, fix it.